Hey YouTube, it's been a minute since I've last done a vacuum cleaner collection update video, so I came to my senses that I need to change that. Before I go on with the walkthrough, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so to help support my channel. I would really appreciate it if you do that. And also, if any of you guys have any vacuum cleaners you want me to do a video of, if you guys have any requests for me, drop them in the comments section down below and I will happily see what I can do. Um, Anyways, let's get started with the video. So starting off here, we got my Minuteman MPV 14. Behind that, we have my older style Eureka Mighty Mite canister. Here we have my navy blue Eureka the Boss wide track. And some of my vacuums are stored in my walk-in closet, so I'll show you the ones that are in here next. Let me turn the light on. All right, starting off right here is my Sanitaire commercial bagless. This is a nice vacuum. I really like the red color on this. And this is before it was known as the Quiet Clean. This is not a Quiet Clean model. This is just called a Sanitaire commercial. Behind that is my, I don't know how well you can see it. That is my yellow Eureka the Boss wide track, bagless. Next to that is my black Eureka the Boss wide track. This is a bagged version. This one is not bagless. And then over there in the back is my Eureka Whirlwind Lightspeed. All right, so coming back out here, we have my Phantom Cyclone XT. Next to that is my Eureka the Boss Smart Vac. Over here, I have some extra Phantom parts, various Phantom parts. A bunch of screws, parts, whatnot. Here's my Dirt Devil Hand Vac Plus with the original box. It's not exactly new old stock, but it has been used, but it is in very nice shape and it includes everything that's original. Here's just a bunch of various vacuum parts, filters, extension hoses, brush rolls and whatnot. This right here is my Metro DataVac. This also has the box to it. There it is. These are just a bunch of owner's manuals and whatnot. And here's where a bunch of my various bags are and stuff. Hoses. All right, starting off here is my 11 amp original Phantom. Behind that is another 11 amp Phantom. I just picked this one up about 2 weeks ago. And then behind that is my third. Oh, there you go. There, you can see it now. This is my third 11 amp Phantom, except this one is in all black, whereas these two have the white and purple accents. This is my older style Kenmore Destiny Plus. Behind that is an older style Phantom Thunder. Next to that is my newer style Phantom Thunder. And next to that is my newer Kenmore Destiny Plus. Right there is my 2000 green 12 amp Phantom Fury. 1999 green 12 amp Fury. Orange 12 amp Fury. my pink Riccar Superlight, Hoover Dial-O-Matic, my Phantom Lightning. It is complete with all of its attachments too. I just don't feel like showing them. The only thing wrong with it is this, so I need to get a new hose for it at some point. Kenmore Progressive upright, Riccar 8955, my Eureka Heavy Duty Commercial C2094, one of the best vacuums I have in my collection. My Windsor Sensor S12. Over here, we have my Bissell DigiPro canister. And last but not least is my Eureka Express canister vacuum. Well, that concludes my vacuum tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I've gotten some new machines from the last time I did a video, and some machines I no longer have as I sold or traded them off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and have a great day. Peace.